Shangri-La back here. I find the Garden of Eden. Gosh, don't go in those small tunnels. Oh, right into the thing. It looks bright down here. Nope. So what is this? What is this? Oh. Oh my gosh. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? We're out here back in Texas for a fun one, man. Alright, somehow I made it across. Take a little look-see. I would be remiss if I didn't at least take a look since I'm over here now. Bikes in, but definitely not really easily get the bikes out. We're out here for another exploration ride. We're gonna try to find some new spots. Hello. Hello. I think that ends pretty quick. I did have to check out what's over here. Ooh, the blown out concrete. Stairs? What? There's a big dam over here too. Oh, oh! Huge heron doo-doo. I didn't know you could doo-doo that much, Mr. Heron. Dang, man, this guy's a little secret spot over here. Oh, another big bird. Crane City. Smells like heron doo-doos over here. Hard enduro, broken concrete, super dangerous section. Woohoo! Oh, dirt bike power, baby. I think we can go see the dam if we're super careful. Oh, this way. Okay. Okay, I just gotta watch your front wheel. I'm trying. Ooh. Made it to the hiking dam. You're supposed to be able to hike here. Your boy just rode here. It's beautiful. What is that, water? Oh, big hole ahead. The driftwood is cool, man. What is going on over here? Check this. Maybe if I put the bike in one of those. I got nuts and berries on my nose. Stay. Stay. Power of the water, man. That's pretty cool. Alright. Kayak jump. Hello! Somebody been getting down on the Ronas. Pretty cool. On to the next one. Hello. It smells kind of like citrus. Oh, I do see a light. Feeling like Paul Revere.
A great example of an ordinary man as someone who risked everything to make history and to change the world.
No booby traps or tripwires. Even though there's vacancies, nobody here really. Oh, I see two sources of light ahead. Oh, here comes that Dallas smell. Oh yeah, just soak it in. You know, you can probably feel a little bit through the smell-o-vision. We got a trash chute. This might not even be the way out. It's probably just another source of light. Oh my gosh. Just another source of light. Another source of trash. Oh, it's got a grate, city grate. Water's flowing. Oh man, it gets dark up here. Going against the flow of water. I'm always afraid it's gonna like drop somewhere, you know, like go into a mirror pool, mirror image, disappearing edge. Feeling like Jake the Hard Snake. Feeling like Jigsaw Doodle. If it gets any smaller, we might not be able to make it, folks. Super bumpy. Washed out terrain. Oh, here's somebody's bed, it looks like. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Somebody might have been sleeping right there. Couldn't even tell. Still going. Probably gonna end up Garland, Little China, Koreatown, Little Mexico, frickin' Irving. I've seen no sign of light or life besides the drainage grates. Ooh, it's getting a little moist and dank over here. Everything's darkening up. Ooh, looks like some moldy conditions. Maybe coming from above. Oh my gosh. When is this one gonna end? And where's it gonna put me? Alright, gain a little speed. Oh, there's a hole. I feel like it does come out. The other spot, I see you, man. Hey, hey man, sorry about that. Coming through the home turf. Coming out, we have a chop. Oh, there it is. That one's wet, this one's dry. A little tight. Alright, somebody looks like they've been living right here for a bit. Run over their fireplace. Oh, and their vapes. Ooh, it's slick. It's pretty nasty. Ooh, there's like waves. A little deep right here. Let's see what's over here. Oh my god. Oh, I'm crashing. Oh my gosh. Don't go in those small tunnels like this, guys. Very cool grown over ditch. A ditch with a lot of growth. Like got islands of junk. Junk Island. Total burnt down fire excavation spot. Holy cow. We got a bunch of fish. Where there's a will, there's a way. You're gonna find an entrance. You keep looking. Some fish got stuck here. Look at these lion faces. Wait a minute. Monkey looking lion faces over here. Holy cow, look at this. Wall rideable for sure. I don't know about on the big bike. We gotta try probably a little one. Pit bike, major pit bike wall ride. Oh, deep spot. Yikes. Little hop, pop over. Clear some of this out, maybe. Hop a pop. Yee. It looks deep over there. This is like a wasteland for concrete. Concrete comes to get wasted. Cool. It's like a concrete pileup under the big highway. Nobody wants to live over here, I guess. It's not too nice. Yeah, just gotta check out the end of the thing. Oh. Oh. Wait a minute. This ain't quite ended. Jump to... Oh, stuff. Oh, stuff. I'm in the stuff. Next time, just hit the jump, right? Ooh. With a hold. 450. Big 4/5. Yeehaw! Some type of old walkway, driveway, passageway. Oh. Looks like Florida beaches. Oh! Washout, big washout. Oh. Shangri-La back here. I find the Garden of Eden. Oh, there's another sick jump. Ugh. I'm at the thing. There's some fish here. I'm gonna bring my pole back. I'm at the thing. How do I get out of here? Through the loose stuff again. Super loose stuff. Oh yeah, swing it, wing it. Oh, swinging. She's swinging. What is even this? Cool. It's a cool jump. Might as well hit a little no-hander. Kind of a big one. We be quacking. Ooh, some 110 Johns. It's not good, it's not bad. Gotta go up and over the tree branch. Whoa, way up here. Stay on the green. Oh, and gap out. Totally. First, get up. Click second. Whoa. Right into the thing there, alright. Okay. This one's got a challenging obstacle. Oh, and there's a California style moat. Just take a look at this. What in the world is down here? Big bridge style. It's down here swimming with the fish. Question is, trying to ride across that or not? Strong wind does not help. When in Dallas. Oh, somebody coming freaking me out. Can't be watched like that hard. Jeez. Might only be in Dallas one time. The opportunity to hit this, gotta hit it. Oh, we're going for it, folks. We're going for it. This one's not too bad. It's good practice for the one in Atlanta. Woo! Give it a chop, chop, chop. Oh, is that a double jump off? Into a dark, trembling ditch. Shit! No, it is not a jump off to the unforgiving ditch. You ain't got nothing to worry about, folks. I'm out of your way. Just like that. Thinking about going check out what's down here. Huge tunnel. I don't remember seeing this one anywhere. This one looks pretty cool. And getting these tunnels, you gotta let the eyes adjust. Hello. Oh, it feels great in here. It smells like normal air. I'll give an update soon. Kinda looks bright down here. Nope. Huh. Pitch black, as a matter of fact. That's how far we've come. That's how far we go. Hello. Oh, here we go, some light. Let's see where this comes out at. Just let them know we're coming. Big shout out to all the recent subscribers. Big shout out to anybody viewing this video. Whoa, this looks like a lake. Oh my God. Hell, just like that, you're out here at a lake. Quicksand. Texas quicksand. It's lumpy. Texas quicksand. Oh, that was risky. No speed, no stop. Ah, leaving it alone. Mud on the tire, could have called it. Yeah. It's like coming out of a cave. You're spelunking and you see the light at the entrance. Boy, that feels nice. Now there's an even longer one we scoped out. Sheesh, I thought about just hitting it without checking it out. Well, that's probably how you get across the easiest though. Look at this. Muddy mess. Well, I'm seeing a lot of tree branches on that side. really just go for it, I don't think. Ooh, this one's clear. When the opportunity presents itself. Oh gosh. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh. Can't mess up now. Oh, over the big spot. Oh, there's bumps everywhere. Ah! Chalk it up. According to my map, there should be some type of sketchy land bridge up here. Oh, that's sketchy, alright. Holy cow. Sketchy bridge. Hello? Looks like this used to be some type of road. This got washed out. Push it to the limit of your Google Maps. Super long tunnel, and we come out over here. Good eye, Robbo. Back in the ditch, down in a hole. Losing control because of dandelions. Ooh, there's an unspent round right here. 9 mil? That's probably $10. Hello? Boom, jump to that side would be sick. Oh, oh. Sidetrack. Getting all this BMX stuff in my head. Alright, I should be able to ride this one like a berm. Let's take a look-ski. Pretty sick. Oh yeah. Yeah, carved it. Beep beep, gotta hit the PaulSoHard line. He's got a bunch of friends or fans down here. Oh, it's a dog, a lady. Ooh-wee. Oh, hey doggy. Hey. How's it going? Made a wrong turn. Sorry about that. Did somebody just ride up that or is that? Well, I'm just astonished sometimes at the things. The dog's trying to get out of there. You better go back. Somebody walking the tracks. Alright, dog's trying to follow me up out of there looking for a better home. Alright, we really appreciate you watching this video. It's going to be a big wrap as we try to send this second story jump right here. Little sender out of the Texas territory. Have a great day.